Hi, it's Allison Waken here at Scrapbook.com to talk about the Easy Album Wedding and Honeymoon Kit. I love that this kit comes with everything you need to create an entire album. The kit comes with a pen to write all of your journaling and dates, note cards, and an album in the color option of your choice. They have deep red, gold, black, navy, aqua, purple, and mint. So there's so many color choices that really go with any theme of your wedding or bridal shower or maybe a honeymoon or even an anniversary. So the cards that come with the kit are double-sided, and there are lined note cards in 4x6 and 3x4, and then the great pattern cards that are also in 4x6 and 3x4. So these 4x6 cards come with patterns and colors on both sides. They are super thick, gorgeous quality, and some of them have room for journaling, some of them have titles, some of them have like our wedding day, love, they have a wedding cake, so all kinds of things that would coordinate with the theme of wedding, honeymoon, new beginnings, that would go really well in this album. And the fun part about the cards is that they all coordinate together. They're all unique so that you can really add to your album and tell the story that you're trying to tell. So we'll go through some of these. Aren't these beautiful? And the colors are neutral, so they go great with any wedding theme, whether it was many years ago or a brand new wedding. There's patterns, colors, really pretty, coordinate all together. So that's the 4x6. And then there's also 3x4 cards that go in the 3x4 page protectors. And these are the same. They have patterns on each side, some titles, and make it really easy to transition through your album, add to your album. There's journaling spots there. They work really great for weddings, anniversaries, bridal showers. So the cards fit perfectly into the page protectors that also come with the album kit. There's 3 different styles of page protectors: 4x6 horizontal, 4x6 vertical, and then a mix that has 4x6 horizontal as well as 3x4, which is perfect to insert those cards into. Okay, now let's go through how easy it is to create an album. So in the album, there are 3 rings. You just open those rings, place your page protectors inside and close it up. And then you go about inserting the photos and cards into the page protectors. So here you can see we have 1 page done already. The beautiful photos and cards already inserted. And then the lined cards work really great with the journaling pen that comes with the kit. You can add those in as much or as little as you want throughout your album. So let me show you how quickly it is to create a page. So we have a blank page protector here, and you're simply going to insert the photos and cards right into the page protector. So on the top of the page protector, you just open up the top and insert the photo. On the middle and the bottom pages, the opening is only on the front side of the page protector. So you can access that just on the top of the little opening for the photo. Insert. Super quick, super easy. Okay, so I'm going to insert these cards into the page protector the same way that those photos go in. Insert the top, and that's it. The whole page is done. So again, you could have added some journaling or just leave the page as is. So simple and easy. And when you're ready, you can turn the page over and you see that the double-sided cards show on the other side as well. So you can just leave them as is, or add photos or another card on top of that if you would like. So here I'm going to just insert photos into this side. Now remember, the opening for the photos is only on the front side of the page protector. So there's no opening on the back side to put the photos in. You need to turn the page protector over and insert the photos and cards that way. This page came together in no time at all. So this page protector is that mixed size that we talked about. There's 4x6 and 3x4s, which is the perfect size for the 3x4 cards that come with the kit. I'm going to start with just inserting some of those. And you can go in any order that you'd like, inserting photos and cards, journaling. You can also go back and add more as you have more photos printed or maybe more journaling or memories to add in. Could also make it as a gift and let the recipient fill in their photos and memories and journaling. And finish it up. And that's it. So quick and so easy. You can add as many or as little photos and memories and journaling as you'd like. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.